Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable a call waiting notification on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So open the phone's application, phone app on your device, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then select settings. And then within the settings, all you have to do is simply select calling accounts, and then select advanced settings. And then within the advanced settings, find the call waiting notification option and tap on it, and you can see three options. Now you'll see an option: play notification sound continuously, play notification sound twice, and play notification sound and vibrate twice. Choose the option that you prefer. So if you want the call waiting notification to be play notification sound twice, you can select it, or choose the other option, any other option that you prefer, and that will have enabled the call waiting notification on your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.